And with me on the panel, I have Mr. Piyush Gupta, who's the head of channel sales. And I take this opportunity to welcome all of you for the Mantra Moments virtual channel partner meet. We have some exciting times ahead, and we had an amazing year last year, which we will throw some light on how we did last year and our plan for the next for this financial year. And we believe that our channel partners have been our pillar of strength and who have worked with us honestly and strived with us in the tough times. And also we believe that the same support and strength is what we will have this financial year and the years ahead. And on this note, I would start with the presentation. And I thank you once again for being here today. Shall we move on, Rohan? Yeah. So let's understand why Mantra. So if you look at Mantra, we make brilliance happen. We have been one of the most disruptive organizations, and we've kind of created records. And in terms of our project presence, we currently have 15 plus projects in our kitty and which are in development. We have about 66 lakh square feet under construction. We have 11 projects completely delivered in both Pune and PCMC, and we have 14 years of realty excellence. It's been 14 years since we started our journey, and in this is what we've achieved so far in this journey of 14 years. And apart from this, we have become one of the fastest growing developer in Pune, and we have the largest footprint also in terms of inventory across northeast, west, south of Pune, and our projects also are spread across the northeast, west, and south of Pune and PCMC, with one of the largest footprint of inventory. If you look at our projects, we have our projects going on in Mantra, Montana, and Danori, Mantra Insignia and Keshav Nagar, 29 Gold Coast at Tingranagar, Essence at Undri, and we have Essence NA Bungalow plots in Undri. We have Mantra Moments in Moshi. We have Mantra Parkview in Dairi. We have Mantra 7 Hills at Kirkidwadi, Grandstand at Trinity at Kothrood. We have 91 Riverfront by Mantra at Baner, Mantra Monarch at Balewadi, Mantra 24 West at Gahunje, Mantra Divine at Wadebali Wagoli, and City 360 at Talegaon, and Mantra Magic Chimli, and Mantra Residency at Chakan. These are the completed projects what we have, that is Era, Sky Park, Fifth Avenue, Palm Atlantis, Alcasa, Blessings. We have Miami, Senses, Majestica, Yashodan, Ira, Omega Retreat. These are projects what we have completed delivered till date across Pune and PCMC. Apart from this, we have inventory which we have delivered part in projects like Mantra Parkview, Mantra Essence, Mantra Insignia, Mantra Moments. In these projects, we have delivered a significant inventory and in these projects in the last few years. So this is a map of our spread of our projects across northeast, west, and south of Pune. As you can see, we have projects across the sector in Pune and PCMC areas. So basically, all this has happened because of your effort, and which is now a success story. How? Let's explore. Last year, that is FY 2021, we started the year with a lot of uncertainties. And the pandemic actually shook the world. And we launched projects in our sustenance projects, which is phases in our sustenance projects, which are like Mantra Monarch, Insignia, Montana, 29 Gold Coast, and Parkview. We had launched certain successful campaigns like Mantra Ghar Banaye Dani, 8% Ki Amdani, The Great Danori Dream Offer 2, and 2021. And these projects helped us register a record sales in FY 2021, and wherein we delivered growth over 40% year on year. And the best part is we achieved a sold out status in most of the projects like Parkview, Monarch, 91 Riverfront, Mantra Insignia, Montana, and Grandstand Trinity. In these projects, we achieved a sold out status of the inventory what was available with us. We also created headlines. We were featured among the best of the magazines. CEO was featured among the Business Today Best CEOs edition. We also featured in the Forbes edition where they were discovering the mantra behind the mantra successes. And we also were featured in multiple media coverages on the record sales, what we achieved in the last financial year. We also recognized for our performance, wherein Lokmat awarded us CEO with the Lokmat Achievers of Pune Award, as well as on the CNN News 18 Real Estate Business Excellence Awards. We won the Emerging Brand of the Year, the CEO of the Year, and the Marketer of the Year awards. We thank you for you have made the difference for us, and you supported us in these tough times. When everything looked uncertain, you guys stood by us and you made the difference to us altogether. So let's see what Mantra brings to you. This is our upcoming projects. We have projects coming up in Koregaon Park, Keshav Nagar, Balewadi, Karadi, and Akudi. And these are perfect blend of residential, retail, and commercial spaces. Yes, Mantra is getting into commercial spaces this financial year, and you will have amazing commercial spaces coming up in terms of inventory with Mantra Properties. This is a launch calendar to give you an outlook in terms of what our launches will be in this financial year. Starting with Q1, we have Mantra Montana's last phase project. Last phase to be launched. We have Mantra Essence Undri, the last phase to be launched. We have codename Magnific, which we discussed yesterday, and we're launching that codename Magnific. And in Moments Moshi, we're launching a last phase. In the Q2, we're launching the last phase of Monarch. We will be launching a project in Mundua and a new project in Keshav Nagar. We'll also be in the Q3, we're looking at launching a new project at Balewadi, and we will also launching a new product at Keshav Nagar. The second phase of the new project at Keshav Nagar. Beg your pardon. And in Q4, we're looking at two big launches with Karadi and Akudi. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is the outlook what we have in terms of launches for this year. You see, it's a power-packed calendar, and we have launch after launch after launch. And what does this mean for you as our channel partners? It is the month of opportunity. The new launches will add over 1,500 crores in this financial year. I mean it, we're going to launch 1,500 crores worth of inventory only in this financial year. This is the opportunity bucket for you, and this is a huge opportunity for each one of you for the taking. 1,500 crores of inventory in just one financial year. That's what Mantra brings to you. Now I invite my colleague, Mr. Piyush Gupta, who heads channel sales. Piyush, on to you.
Thanks, Pranava. Thanks for a lovely introduction about Mantra Properties and what is in store for our channel partners.
Thank you, Piyush.
All right. Hello, partners. I am Piyush Gupta. I am head of channel sales at Mantra Properties. Right. To talk about Mantra Connect. So, as we all know, हम सभी जानते हैं कि for any real estate company to taste success and to grow, channel partners are an important cog. So keeping this thing in mind, we launched this particular program, Mantra Connect, in the month of November 2018. So almost 2 साल हो गए हैं इस particular program को launch किए हुए, and the mission statement which we took at that particular time was, Rohan? Right. So the mission statement which we took was together towards tomorrow. Right. So we wanted our channel partners to get on board with us, and as long as we are growing, we always wanted our channel partners also to grow along, come along, and so that we both can succeed in life. Right. So under this program, so it was a very robust process which we designed so that a channel partner does not face any issue while getting on board, and of course whenever they are doing any site visits and sales and brokerages. So in quickly, I'll just run through the process. किस तरीके से हम लोग channel partners को onboard करते हैं. So basically, to have a smooth process, channel partners have to register with us. So जो भी आपका dedicated RM है, so with the help of him, you can register and get onboarded with Mantra Properties. You can start your marketing activities. आप जब भी site visit करवाते हैं, उसका source authentication होगा site पे, and the sales team, the closing team takes that particular site visit to sales closure. And as soon as we receive 10% payment against that sale and registration is done, आपको हमारी तरफ से intimation आ जाएगा कि आपको invoice raise करना है, आपका sale का 10% आ चुका है, and within 30 days after receiving the invoice, within 30 working days, we release your payout. So it's a simple process. For any more information, you can reach out to your respective RMs. Next slide, one. All right. So Mantra Connect, what we achieved as a team in last financial year. So what we did, we have now reached to 1,190 members. So as I say, कि channel partners आप लोग हमारे family की तरह हैं. So current हमारा strength है, that is close to 1,200 members, and we are aiming to reach to a level of 2,000 members by this year end. 9,400 walk-ins. Yes, you heard me right. It's 9,400 walk-ins जो कि आप चैनल पार्टनर्स ने लास्ट ईयर हमारे लिए किया है. And mind you, there were no launches at all. There were only phase launches and sustainable projects which we had last year, and still you guys did 9,400 plus walk-ins. That's a commendable job, brilliant job, channel partners. Thank you so much for that. So what's the impact of this Mantra Connect program which we are running for last 2 years? I'll just give you a glimpse of it. Right. So every channel partner who has now joined today with us will vouch that the kind of CPA payout which we are giving is best in industry. Quarter on quarter, हम लोग जो payout देते हैं. So every channel partner has enough time because we give a time frame of 3 months. 3 महीने का time होता है जहाँ पे आप आराम से जो top letter achieve कर सकते हैं. Timely payout, of course, as soon as हम आपका invoice हमको मिलता है at our head office, 30 days का time period है जो कि हम follow करते हैं. We make sure that 30 days में आपका जो payout है वो release होगा. Reward and recognition, another important factor where we keep rewarding and recognizing the hard efforts which are taken by our channel partners, and we believe in creating a delight which they cherish, recognize, and value it. So with your effect, the last year of payout which is made to new channel partners is whopping 15 crores. You have seen it. The kind of payout which we have made to channel partners last year is 15 crores. The brokerage is 15 crores. Now, if I have to say कि last year अगर मेरा कोई launch नहीं था, we were only doing sustained sales. तो अगर इस साल अगर मैं 5 नए प्रोजेक्ट्स लेके आ रहा हूँ, ठीक है, then you can see the opportunity. अगर हमने 10,000 walk-in last year कराए, I can easily see this number going to about 25,000 walk-ins, and this brokerage is not less than 30 crores. So it's a big opportunity for you channel partners to grow big and earn with Mantra Properties. Right. So here, of course, all the channel partners have performed very well with us last year, but there were few channel partners, there were few performances which actually outshone the others, and they had set up a new benchmark. So we wanted to recognize their commitment towards Mantra by giving them an I4. So here are a few inserts from those channel partners.
मेरा नाम उमेश गायकवाड़ है. मेरा फर्म का नाम आशिवा प्रॉपर्टीज करके है. मैंने 2 साल पहले एज ए सीपी करके मार्केट में बिजनेस चालू किया. तो पहले जो चूज मेरा मोमेंट में ही था, क्योंकि मैंने बाकी पूरा मार्केट देखा है, बाकी बिल्डर के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन मोमेंट का जो सेल्स टीम है, मोमेंट का जो अपना हेड ऑफिस का जो सपोर्ट है, उसके जैसा सपोर्ट मुझे किसी बिल्डर से नहीं मिला. इसलिए फिर मैंने मन बना लिया कि मुझे मंत्र के साथ ही काम करना है. फिर 1 साल में मैंने लगभग मंत्रा में 30 से ऊपर बुकिंग बनाई पिछले साल में. और पेमेंट का कैसा होता है, हर एक कोई आदमी काम करता है पैसे के लिए, लेकिन पैसे का भी कोई प्रॉब्लम मंत्रा में नहीं आता है. फोन करने से पहले उनका पेमेंट रेडी होता है, चेक रेडी होता है. इसलिए मैं मंत्रा को ज्यादा प्रेफर करता हूँ. ओके, थैंक यू.
Yeah, I'm Vikas from Amoy Consulting LLP. Mantra is a good brand. Okay, we did good numbers with Mantra last year. Okay, though we have covered very limited location. Okay, but if we talk about team and the customer service and the layout of the projects, location, it's superb. Okay, it's superb. Our customer liked the project. Okay, the customer service was good, fabulous. Okay, after sales service was good. If we talk about the USP of their projects, okay, so mainly they are into affordable segment, okay, and that to be like the price point and layout, okay, it is different from the other developer, okay, other market, okay. The team is very very supportive. As I said, the team is very supportive, okay, and we are very customer centric, okay. any kind of a problem, any kind of a customer query, okay, they resolve within TAT. Whatever is the TAT, they resolve within that, okay. And the CP vertical is very good, very supportive. Prasad is very supportive. Nitin is very supportive. Okay, overall staff is very supportive. Okay, payment term, payment they release the payment on time. Okay.
मेरा नाम मनीष है, मैं प्रॉप एक्सपर्ट रियल्टी से हूँ। मैं थोड़ा अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहता हूँ मंत्रा प्रॉपर्टीज़ के साथ। मैं जैसा कि आपको पता, मैं काफ़ी टाइम से मंत्रा प्रॉपर्टी के साथ एसोसिएट हूँ, पिछले 3-4 साल से। बट लास्ट 2 ईयर से मैं मतलब काफ़ी फोकसली काम कर रहा हूँ मंत्रा के लिए। और जैसा कि मैं कस्टमर को बेचने से पहले मैं खुद से ये देखता हूँ कि प्रोडक्ट के अंदर क्वालिटी है या नहीं है, या रिलायबल है प्रोजेक्ट या नहीं है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें, चाहे वो क्वालिटी कंस्ट्रक्शन हो, चाहे वो इन टर्म ऑफ आपका रिलायबिलिटी हो, ट्रस्ट हो, या फिर आपका कॉस्टिंग हो, तो एवरीथिंग मतलब मेरे को सारी चीज़ें एक रीजनेबल लगा। तो मुझे लगा कि क्लाइंट इस पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन में वो प्राइस में ले सकता है। तो मुझे भी फिर एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी मिली वो काम को करने के लिए। एंड जिस तरीके से आपका सपोर्ट मिला मंत्रा प्रॉपर्टीज़ जैसे दीपिका को मैं स्पेशली थैंक्स बोलूँगा, क्योंकि काफ़ी टाइम पे चाहे वो कॉस्टिंग की बात हो, चाहे प्राइसिंग हो, या जो भी मेरे को इशूज़ आए, वो सारी चीज़ें मेरे को वहाँ पे ऑन टाइम मिली है। तो मैं सारी चीज़ के लिए मंत्रा प्रॉपर्टीज़ को थैंक्स बोलना चाहूँगा। और एक चीज़ और मेरे को मेंशन करना है कि जैसे कि एज ए चैनल पार्टनर मेरे को काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस मिला है मंत्रा प्रॉपर्टी से। जैसे आपका अगर मैं इंसेंटिव स्लैब की बात करूं, तो वो भी मंत्रा प्रॉपर्टी से अच्छा इंसेंटिव स्लैब कोई नहीं दे रहा है एज ऑफ नाउ।
I am Sanjeev from 7th Heaven Homes, and we are a reputed channel partner working over with Mantra Properties over several years. And the best part while working with Mantra is that the support and the relationship that is created while we are working along with them is tremendous. And they make us feel at home actually, and we are very secure with whatever client registration or site visits or meetings, anything that we do. We are secure that our client is once registered will be closed. Mantra team will do all its best to close that particular deal. So this particular thing motivates us to work with Mantra in all their projects. We look forward to all their new launches. And the best part is that brokerage release is very quick, and that is the best part. And they really take care of our brokerages actually on time.
I am myself Vikas Gupta. I'm the founder and the owner of Divine Realtors. I'm here in Mantra Property. I will share my experience, what exactly made me to work with Mantra Property. First of all, Mantra Property management is very much, I will say, responsive for any query you are having. Okay. And second, all the payments they made in on time. Even there is a lockdown or pandemic situation, what they have committed, they had done, and I have received all my payment on time. So in future also, I'm thinking, I'm very much open and anytime welcome to Mantra Property, and the CP is also welcome. Those who are thinking to get connect with Mantra Property, because their location is prime and the pricing are of very, I will say, reasonable compared to the market. So whoever will work in Mantra, definitely they will grow. Mantra will grow, so the CP will grow. That's it.
All right. So why are we here today? So I would like to invite Pranava again to give a glimpse of the project which we are launching, Moments, the last phase. Over to you, Pranava.
Thank you, Piyush. So why are we here today? Let's explore why we are here today with one of you on the slides. What is a gated community? Come experience. What is a rising neighborhood? Come experience. And what our lifestyle amenities. Come experience. The most awaited moment is here, limited 2 BHK apartments at Moshi. In Moshi's best-selling project, we are launching the last phase of Mantra Moments, wherein we're bringing in 2 BHK homes and shops at Can we go to the next slide, Mohan? Great. So this is the elevation of the beautiful Hedge Tower, what we're launching at Mantra Moments. And we have an amazing retail gallery that you can see, and the access with the 30-meter and the 80-meter DP roads annexing the project right now. Come experience life in every moment with the amazing set of amenities what we've created in the project, and experience a real gated community wherein you have 8 high-rise towers. There are already 550 plus happy families living in the project, and the amenities are ready for your use today. This is another view of the Edge Tower from the 30-meter Ruby Road. And this tower offers well-planned spaces that offer you maximum usable floor space, minimum common walls, space-efficient kitchen, and great natural ventilation, so that you always are happy and you always are in a peace of mind. This is the main entrance of the project with the retail arcade, which is already existing over there, and the Hedge Tower, which will be launching from today. This is a view of our retail arcade at Mantra Moments. This is the location of Mantra Moments, and it is well connected to both the Dehu Alandi Road, and very soon with the DP Road coming in, it will be connected to the Spine Road. Every space is not very far from Mantra Moments. If you look at Televade IT Park or you know, the industrial places like Mercedes-Benz and the Forbes Marshall offices, and all these places are very close by. There are employment hubs like Chakan, Bosiri, and Televade, which are not very far from the project, all within 20 minutes and 30 minutes away from the project. You have one of the best education institutions around. And in terms of retail developments, you have a lot of them in Spine City Mall, you have D-Mart, you have City One Mall, Big Bazaars and Pantaloons, and all these places are very close to the project. And then in terms of your medical infra, you name it, you have it. You have the best of the hospitals around the area to take care of your medical requirements. Come experience an active lifestyle. The premium lifestyle amenities are thoughtfully planned, and outdoor spaces actually pave the way for an active lifestyle. Here the amenities are ready, so you can experience them firsthand. Whether you host a private gathering or you take a pool in the dip in the pool, you can. Mantra Moments always keeps you healthy, active, and very well connected. That's the beauty of Mantra Moments. You can experience an active lifestyle being at Mantra Moments. In terms of amenities, we have a party lawn, a gymnasium, a clubhouse, a beautiful swimming pool, children's play areas, indoor games, utility retail shop, multipurpose room, a lot of areas to sit around and like lounges and social gatherings per se. A lot of places have been developed at Mantra Moments, thereby ensuring that you can always live an active lifestyle with Mantra Moments. These are some of the views of the project, where you have a swimming pool, you have a children's play area, you have pergola seating, you have an active half basketball court over there for your children to play in. We have an amphitheater kind of a setup over there, then your party lawn. So you name it, you have the works over there in terms of amenities and features of the project. The key features per se of the project, it is spread across 13 acres of land parcel, overlooking greens, yet in the center of Moshi. There are 8 high-rise towers with all the amenities in the central area. These spaces are well planned that give you maximum usable floor space and are crafted to provide maximum comfort with an integrated shopping arcade. As I said earlier, the amenities are ready to use, so you can come feel them today itself. And we're bringing in all 2 BHK apartments, and we're bringing in retail spaces at Mantra Moments, Moshi. In terms of inventory, we have 2 types of 2-bedroom apartments over here. We have the 2 BHK Optima, which comes with 689 square feet carpet area. And we have 2 BHK Ultima, which comes with 759 square feet carpet area. In terms of commercial, we have shops ranging from 213 square feet carpet to 634 square feet carpet. I would repeat myself on the inventory again. The hedge tower, we have 2 BHK Optima and 2 BHK Ultima. The 2 BHK Optima comes with 689 square feet carpet area, and Ultima comes with 759 square feet carpet area. So very spacious, good size apartments. And with commercial, we have shops ranging from 213 square feet to 634 square feet, taking care of all kind of commercial requirements and needs of the people and on people who are looking at investing in commercial spaces. Let's have a quick look at the unit plans at Mantra Moments. This is the layout of the 2 BHK Optima, which has a usable a carpet area of 689 square feet. This is the entrance lobby, which is about 3.5 by 5 feet almost. And this ensures that the privacy is taken care of. The lobby acts as a beautiful curtain to what happens in the house, and there's a lot of privacy which is generated with this. You have a living of 10 by 15 with an attached balcony of 10 by 5.5 almost. And then you have a good sized kitchen, which is of 8 by 9 with an attached dry balcony. You have a dining area, which can comfortably seat a 4-seater dining table. And then you have 2 bedrooms, the children's bedrooms on 10 by 10 and the master bedroom of 10 by 11 with an attached bath. That's 2 BHK Optima, which is of 689 square feet carpet. As you can see in the layout, there is no wastage of space anywhere. There is enough and more space for in terms of the floor space for everyone to use. And there's no unusual corners or any kind of place which is going wasted in this layout. In terms of 2 BHK Ultima, which is of 759 square feet carpet, again, we have a very nice lobby over here, which acts as a privacy curtain and maintains the privacy of people living in the apartment. The living is again of a size of 11 by 15 with a terrace of 11 by 5.3. A kitchen again over here is a massive kitchen of 8 by 9 with a dining area of almost 10 by 4.5. And then you have a children's bedroom of 10 by 11 and a master bedroom of 10 by 12 with an attached balcony as well as an attached bath. Over here, again, you can see there are no spaces wastage. There's maximum area what can be given to the customer in terms of use the floor plan. No unusual corners, no unusual rectangles which kind of take away space or block the visibility. This is the master planning, and this is the beauty of the planning of Mantra Properties, where you have zero wastage on spaces. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Mantra Moments for you, where we bring in 2 BHK homes and shops at Moshi. So do come, experience the beauty of Mantra Moments, the active lifestyle, the active community, what we bring to you. Do come, explore, and make the most of this opportunity. Thank you. Moving on, I would request Piyush to take over from here and take our partners through the other details of the project. Thank you.
Thanks, Pranava. Must say the proposition looks really amazing.
Absolutely.
Right. So now we'll start with the pricing point. We'll come to the pricing point for the customers at Mantra Moments Tower Edge. Right. For a 2 BHK Optima, the all-inclusive pricing is 45.44 lakhs. All-inclusive 45.44 lakhs. For 2 BHK Ultima, the all-inclusive pricing stands at 51.33 lakhs only. I repeat, 51.33 lakhs all-inclusive for 2 BHK Ultima. Right. So this is a summary of pricing. 2 BHK Optima starting at 45.44 lakhs. 2 BHK Ultima starting at 51.33 lakhs all-inclusive.
Piyush, these are very exciting prices. I think
absolutely
will be very excited about the kind of pricing what we have for both 2 BHK Optima and Ultima. With the kind of space of the apartment, with 689 and 759 carpet areas. I mean, these are like amazing prices, and I'm sure you, your team, and your channel partners